How to make different shape of image in Canva. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be walking you through quickly how to convert your photo or image into different shapes. So let's say, for example, we want to convert our image, which is a rectangle, to a circle, as you can see right here. I'll be showing you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the top left hand corner and select elements. After selecting elements from here, you can simply tap on the search bar, and if it is a case that you would like a circle frame like what you saw earlier, you can simply type in circle frame. Then you can select the circle frame that you would like to use, so this one for example. Then you'll tap on uploads and you're just going to drag and place the image in it. So you can see I've converted a rectangular image now into a circular image. Now let's say instead of it being circular, I would like to change it to a different shape. I can select elements once more, and from there I could type in whichever shape I want, or you could simply type in frame. After you have typed in frame, you can scroll down and you can see different shapes. So if it is a case that you like to make it a diamond shape, you could select diamond, then select uploads once more and drag and place it in it. And you can see right there, it is now a diamond shape. If it is a case that you like it to be, for example, a triangle, you could select the triangle option, then tap on uploads and you'll just drag and place it in. And if it is a case that you don't see the shape that you want, you can simply type it in right there and you will be able to add it. You can also convert your image or photo, better yet, into a heart shape, as you can see right there. So we could select the heart. Then you could go over to uploads and you could drag and place it right there. So as you can see, there are numerous options that you can choose from. And this is available on the free plan, as I'm currently using the free plan. So you can choose whichever frame shape you want and you'll be able to add your photo in it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.